G'day. Soil is everywhere, and we like to classify it because it gives us an idea of the kinds of things we can do with it. The farmer usually knows what he's doing, but nowadays with science, we can lend the farmer a bit of a hand. Scientific investigation can be done in the field, but often the process starts with soil cores. Someone who knows what he's doing can have a look at this soil core and identify layers. Then you can actually take samples from a specific part of that layer and identify attributes like clay, sand, silt and pH. So we can get all of those soil properties and roll them up into a classification system. That's actually quite easy to do. In fact, we have dozens of different classifications that we can roll that single soil core into. Here's an example of a world classification system. And over here is an example of some soils from an Australian classification system. Now, the trick is to get this to work with this.
Step 1. We need to have standard sets of soil attributes at different depths. Now, step 2. We need to find a way to scale and convert all the standard soil attributes into a common space using some magic. We call it PCA transformation. And as you can see, the result can be viewed in this three-dimensional diagram. If you look into this diagram, some parts of the diagram are more crowded, while some other parts have big holes. Then we need to thin this diagram by measuring the distance between the soils. Now, if an unknown soil is given to us, we would want to know how it relates to the soil that are already in the system. By using the computer equivalent of a tape measure, we can plot this new soil into the new space and figure out how close this unknown is to others. We can either tell you what this unknown soil is most similar to in terms of the existing system, or if the distance between the unknown and the rest of the soil is beyond a certain value, we can say this unknown needs to be added to the group.
If we can create a system by adding soil types from systems all over the world, and we can get some kind of agreement between scientific communities, then we have a real candidate for a universal classification system.